Quinn, are you hungry? Quinn, are you hungry? Quinn, do you want eggs?
No.
Do you want Cheerios?
No.
Do you want grapes?
No.
Do you want strawberries?
No.
Do you want a banana?
No.
What do you want? Quinn, get out of the sink. Get out of the sink.
No.
Please?
No. No.
Quinn,
No.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. One, two. I'm gonna get you. Do you want something to eat? Oatmeal?
No.
Cheese. Yogurt. You want to eat cheese?
Yeah.
Do you want to eat a yogurt? Yeah?
No.
No yogurt?
I want cheese.
Okay, what do you say? What do you say?
Cheese?
Yeah. All right, let's go get some cheese. Here we go. All right. You want string cheese?
No.
You want yellow cheese?
No.
This kind?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. Calm down. All right. It's okay. It'll happen. All right. I've got it. Here you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, all right.